Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Sometimes when we save images from Google search, the image gets saved in very low resolution. This problem mostly happens with Instagram photos. In this video, I'll show you a simple trick to save the original high-resolution image without any quality loss. Right-click on the image and click Save Image As. You will notice that the image gets saved, but the resolution is very small or blurry. Now click on the image instead of saving it. It will open the Instagram webpage where the image is hosted. When you right-click on the image, you won't see the Save Images option. Don't worry. Right-click anywhere on the page and click Save As. Save the file to your computer. Go to the saved location. After a few seconds, you will see two items, one HTML file and one folder with the same name. Open the folder. Inside, you will find the high-resolution original image. Copy the image you want and paste it outside the folder to any location you like. After that, you can safely delete the HTML file and the folder. That's it. Now you can save Instagram images from Google search without losing quality. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.